Hello and thank you for stopping by at my YouTube channel Quillish. I am Ishani and today I have for you an autumn inspired card. The season which is full of colors and warmth, and although the leaves have not changed color at the place where I live, but most of the northern hemisphere has the leaves changing colors. I will show a quick technique to get color on your leaves and a very easy card which can be made in minutes. I am taking a stamp set by Winnie and Walter called In Bloom, Rennie's Leaves, and I'll be using Craft Angle's watercolor paper which is 100% cotton and cold pressed. I am taking ink pads from an Indian brand called Tubby Craft in lemon yellow, imperial red, aqua blue, hot pink and tangy orange. You can use any water-based inks for this technique or probably watercolors themselves. I start with taking the paper and cut out the piece required for the leaves. On a craft mat, I smoosh yellow and blue inks and spritz some water to get green on my paper. And to fasten the process, I dry the colors with my heating tool. So now I'll build the colors. I take pink and orange and spritz water, smoosh my watercolor paper, and this paper absorbs a good amount of water and color. Next I use blue, yellow and red again, and now I see there is some brown muddy color formed too, but it doesn't matter. Brown is a color of the autumn too. So we'll let it be there. Next, I prep the paper with an anti-static powder tool and stamp one of the leaves from the set with Versamark and gold emboss it. And I repeat the same process until I have 8 to 9 leaves, which then I fussy cut with my favorite Tim Holtz micro serrated scissors. Despite the paper being watercolor paper, these scissors cut them perfectly without any strain on our hands. I will link the description below in the description box in case you would like to check these scissors. For my background, I am using iris paper which I have cut a little smaller than my top folding A2 size note card, and distress oxides in spice marmalade and candied apple. And initially I start with the dauber as it leaves more pigment on the paper, and then later on for a beautiful blend I am using these brushes that I've bought from Amazon. I'll share the link below in the description box for them also, and I blend until I was happy with the colors. And in the end I again get my daubers to intensify the colors on the topmost corner. Now for assembling the card, I start with stamping my sentiment, which is from the company Kesar Craft, and the set is called Daydreamer. I prepare the surface with anti-static powder and stamp with Versamark and gold embossed Thankful. Then I use black ink for stamping I Am on top of Thankful. So with the sentiment ready, now I will take all my leaves onto the panel and arrange them depicting a branch and stick them with glue. As I was doing this and sticking the leaves which are depicting falling leaves, I realized I could splatter some gold droplets using Craft Angle's gold watercolor, which I have used in a Diwali card that I'll link up here on top, and I had loved the effect, so I do the same for this panel. I take my card base, which is A2 size and top folding, and adhere my autumn inspired panel with the help of foam tape onto the note card. I hope you are inspired to take out your watercolors and make beautiful autumn leaves using this technique. And give my videos a thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. And do let me know if there are any queries regarding this technique in the comments below. I would definitely get back to you. For more inspiration, follow my Instagram account Quillish and my blog, which I have linked in the description box below. Thank you for stopping by again and have a great day. Bye bye.